Hi guys, Kandi Blaze here at Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland, Ohio. Well, I hope I don't stutter, I hope I don't mess this up, but I'm trying to get back in the groove of doing our videos, and it's been quite a few months since we've done that. Matters of fact, guys, things have been collecting some dust back here. Okay, so we've been working on a couple items, and a few items we haven't been working as much on. And let me explain why. The 1969 Camaro is currently awaiting the media blaster. So before we know it, this will actually be hauled out now, and we're just awaiting the thumbs up from the guy that we take these out to for that. However, Chevy Cheyenne is working on the front fenders, and she's been using all the metal fabrication work to make custom fabricated patch panels for it, because sometimes those are a little bit better than the aftermarket patch panels that you can get. Now, aftermarket's not all bad, but sometimes we can do it a little bit better. All right, I'm really excited about this 1966 GMC Carryall, you guys. All the metalwork's been done up top here. There was a really big, pretty sharp dent on the top. And well, we were just talking about the metal fabrication. Same thing goes here for these rear quarters. We wanted to make sure that all the metal work was done properly on these. And again, you got a 1966 Carryall. That's not super common just to go out and buy patch panels for it. And again, sometimes we want to make sure the quality is top notch. All right, really exciting stuff. I'm in the quiet part of the shop right now, but let me tell you, the shop's over in the other section working really hard right now. Behind me is the 1932 street rod, the Penny Lane street rod, and we have one last round of sanding to do, and before you know it, that beauty is gonna be in paint. Really excited about that. The framework's done on that. Speaking of framework, the frame for the 57's in the other side of the shop. Whew, that was like a little twist there. The other side of the shop, and well, guys, let's just say Flaming River, tubular A-arms, rack and pinion, and a bunch of other stuff that's already been done. But before you know it, the box performance motor will be done. I told you guys I was gonna mess up on this. Anyway, the box performance motor will be done, and it's gonna be going into that, and the paintwork's getting done. They locked me out. So, whoo, guys, wow. So there's one of our guys back there. There's Rob and Tom. It's like the Rob and Tom show sometimes back there. So right now I'm in the cold storage area. We got the travel wrap back there and a beautiful 1967 Mustang that's sitting in here for some mechanical work. Of course, you guys know we have a mechanical shop, right? What, you didn't know? We have a full service mechanical shop here at Kandi's Rods and Customs too. So here's another beautiful GMC behind me. This is actually an insurance job. So a lot of times we do overhauls, we do restorations, we do custom paint. But guys, we also specialize in collision, and not just on the classics, but also the new cars as well. That's right, we have all of your major insurance companies on hand that we work with, a full estimating system here for your classic and your new rides as well. So this beautiful 1971 GMC had a little bit of a fender bender, and now it's in here getting all the work done. Speaking of fender benders, kind of similar situation. There's a 1947 Plymouth over here that Chevy Cheyenne's doing some work on. Kind of a cool story. That used to be mine, and now the client's back with it, but he's actually getting some work done on it. And I just, so cool when I pulled in the other day and I saw one of my old cars sitting there. That was actually the first tree on the street that I ever drove. So that's a little sentimental value there for me. Now guys, I don't know if we've talked about this since the last time that we did a feed for you guys. The 1972 Atomic Fireball, myself and Rob McCrae's, is all the way done. Matter of fact, the Trick Flow top end performance upgrade with all of the aluminum heads, all of the work's been completely done. And I might have been out to Dragway 42 for a little testing, guys. And right now we're just tweaking her a little bit. And before you know, I'll be back out there running that Box Performance 396 street motor backed by that 4-speed Muncie. Speaking of that, what's this? Guys, this is my newest experiment and project right back here. This is a 1972 Chevy C10. The motor's out of it right now, getting the final work done, and I'm gonna get some new tires on her, a few other lines, and before you know it, I'll be cruising in this really, really cool 72 C10 back here. Okay, a couple more things, guys. There's a lot of cool events that are finally gonna be coming up and around, so stay tuned for that, including September 4th. That's right, guys. So I turned 40 April 3rd, but we all were under a pandemic, so it wasn't so pan-epic, that's for sure. but that's okay. September 4th, we're gonna have a really awesome car show cruise in here, a cruise in the downtown. We've got pinups, we've got live music, we've got a food vendor, so it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, guys. Okay, so behind me is a new junior dragster body. Now this is Allison Downs Junior Dragster, and she actually won one of the IHRA Junior Championships last year. So we decided to sponsor her on her amazing achievement, and we are getting ready to lay some incredible custom colors down on that once we get all the lines finished up. Okay guys, there's a few other rides in here too, including a really cool old Cadillac convertible. But if you get a chance, go to www.kandiscustoms, that's KandisKustoms.com. Check out some of our past builds, check out the upcoming events that we'll be at, and don't forget to, give her that shadow. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page for all sorts of cool adventures. All right guys, I'm Kandi Blaze with Kandi's Rides and Customs, and gosh, hot rod season's here. See you around. Bye.